babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Bienvenidos. My name is Lulu, but you can call me Lulu for short. If you're already here to the to the how many is it? To the 8 subscribers that I have. What up? It's me, your girl,
Skinny penis.
But yeah, so this video is gonna be about how to treat your curly hairs right. Now, let me just do a little disclaimer here. This is like a recommendation. I'm telling you, this is like the right way to do your curly hair and all that, because with my journey for natural hair, I learn new tricks, learn new what products are better for my hair, what products are not better for my hair. So it's just it's like basically your own preference. You learn new skills from whatever you learn. So it's like gaining references when you draw, basically. Excuse me. I just ate some garlic bread. But yeah, this is just recommendations. I'm not saying this is the right way. If you guys like the way I do my hair, then by all means, you're welcome to use it. If you want to use it as a reference, then you're more than welcome to use it. Now, I'm just coming back for practice, and my hair's still looking kind of bomb. I have a performance on this Thursday, so I had to redo my hair again because it's gonna get all freezy and all that. But yeah. Oh my personality is so boring. But enjoy the video and let's get started. Y'all, YouTube, people out there who are not watching over kids, this ain't porn, this is just a hair tutorial. So watch out for your kids, man. Y'all better not find me off, because it's just a hair tutorial showing shoulder to shoulder. Oh, look how beautiful my hair is. Damn. Alright. So make sure you wash your hair thoroughly, especially with curly hair and with people who have a lot of hair like me. So wash all those hair strands that you have. Oh, hey there. Hi. So if you have a hair tie, which you should, if not you can just go to a CVS or Walgreens, divide your hair by half or by 4 sections depending on how much hair you have, and just tie either 1 section if you do half, or 3 if you do by 4 sections. Man, I'm really slow at this. Now with any tooth comb that you have, yes, you could start brushing your hair from bottom then up. With curly hairs, it doesn't work like straight hair, so you honestly need to start at the bottom, so that way you can avoid breakage and damaging your hair. And then once you're done, you can start working on the other parts that you divided. Yes, I know, girl. Yup, you'll be a model one day. For this face, I'll be using Carol's Dark Cocoa Cream and a shampoo brush. And I'll put the shampoo in my forehead, the sides of my head, and the back of my head. Now with the shampoo brush, I make sure I dig in with my, not really dig in, but make sure it's separated all the way to my scalp. Brush on my scalp, so that way everything is clean, all the dirt is actually going away. Make sure you brush your hair plus the scalp all the way thoroughly. That way it will be all nice and even. And now, after you're done, just wash your hair thoroughly like the first time and massage your scalp as much as needed. The next part, using Texture Back on 2. This is their new product as of February. And instead of just using conditioner, I used a mask instead and put that all over my hair. And after you're done, you could just wrap your hair into a top bun. Don't make that face though. And you're set. Now you can clean your whole body if that's your day. And clean your lady parts. Yep, got it. And once you're done, you could wash the hair mask all the way and wrap your hair in a microfiber towel. That way it doesn't get frizzy. It's like no matter what I do, y'all, I'm stressed. It's like no matter what I do, the shampoo, the mask, everything gets in my eyes. Like even the bath soap. It's that bad. I'm sad. So once you're done chilling and drying your hair, take it out from the microfiber towel, take that hair tie out, and spread all your hair strands on your face and I guess on the back of your head too. And just like last time, divide your hair into either a half or into 4 parts to make sure all the products go evenly in your hair. Yep, that's right. The first step in this process is using the As I Am leave-in conditioner. But my goodness, yep, you made a mistake. But squeeze that in generously depending on how much you have hair and just massage your hair like how I'm doing right now. Now the next thing you use is the curl scalp treatment. So this is minty peppermint and you put that in your scalp. Just squeeze that in and squeeze it out gently. Yeah, just take your time. Open it and there you go. And put that through your scalp and later on you can massage it through your hair once you're done. Now the final step is using the Shea Moisture Coconut Leave-In Treatment. So you just spray that on the section that you put the scalp treatment and the leave-in conditioner, and that will give your hair moisture and have it reduce and frizz. And you just repeat the process with the rest of the sections. Just a little bit more, making sure everything's all set. They're all getting the nutrients they need. Spray that on the grudge lady over there. Yeah. And are you done? Oh wait, she's not done. Okay, so a little bit more of the scalp treatment. Yeah, making sure that strand is moisturized. And the lady is done. So after you're done, you just let your hair dry in the air naturally. It'll take a while, but it's fine. So yes, queen. That is all for this video. I hope when I edit this is short, because I noticed like the videos I do, like the get ready with me and the ice cream makeup, that took a while. Those took me a good 3-4 hours to do. It ain't even funny. It's just like, it's literally like a full-time job. So those YouTubers that have, Alamu, Kenny JD, Markiplier, D Madame Mosiel, Troy CV. Y'all, like, I respect y'all, because like video editing, that is a lot of work. Like making videos, like for me it's all fun, but like video editing, it's a new skill though that I have, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, and I think the videos why are long is because I rant too much. I should just do like a little series of me just ranting like mad stuff or just something that happens to me in life. But I'm glad y'all like the hair tutorial, like how to treat your hair right, making your hair happy, flourish, and how you could get everyone fall in love with you. You could be like that A-list model, be like, yes, It's me. But I hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe, like this video. Please give me a lot of support, because I love doing this review. Even though my call shop is crazy, I love it. I love it so bad. But yep, thank you for watching, and remember, don't let anybody tell you who you are. Only you know who you are. You and God. Alright, bye.